Hey guys, Tyler with X-Tool USA here. Today we're sitting in a 2011 Mitsubishi Galant. I have with us a AS07 key from our nitrous key kit, as well as our Nitro GT scan tool. So this vehicle is going to be, also I have the original key that we're going to be programming as well. This vehicle is going to require a two-step process. It's going to require us to program the remote and the transponder separately. The remote we're going to be doing onboard, meaning we're not going to be using the scan tool for that. For the transponder part we will, but for the remote we're going to go ahead and do that first. So I have with me a breakout box to jump pins 1 and 4 in the OBD port. You can just use a regular wire and just jump the two pins, but I have this, so I'm going to be using it. So we're going to go ahead and stick the key into the ignition and leave it in the off position. Don't move it, just stick it in there. And then we're going to go ahead and jump pins 1 and 4 in the OBD port. And we're going to hit the hazard light 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Door lock cycle, meaning it's in programming mode. We're going to come over to our remote. We're going to hit the lock button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Door lock cycle again to confirm the remote's programmed. And then we're just going to take our breakout box out, take our key out, and then we're going to go ahead and check our remote. I'm going to go ahead and close the door. Grab the remote. And lock and unlock are working. Remote's programmed. So now we're going to continue with the key programming portion of this. So I have my new key here. I have my original key here. We're going to go ahead and pop the new key into the ignition and switch it to the on position. We're going to come over to our scan tool. We're going to go to special functions, immobilization, hit agree. We're going to look for Mitsubishi, just right here at the top. And then we're going to come to immobilizer, America, USA. And so these vehicles have an associated 4-digit security code for every single one of them. For different year ranges and models, they all have the same security code. So for Galant 04 to 12, the pin code is 1530. As you can see there, this is a 2011 Galant, so I know that's going to be the correct pin code. So now we'll go to Galant 06 and newer. Hit key number. There's only one key programmed, which is this one. We're going to be programming the new key, and then we're also going to be reprogramming this one because it does erase keys anytime we program keys on Mitsubishi. So now we're going to select all keys lost. We're going to enter in our security code, which was 1530, and hit OK. It says program exists. Would you like to program another? I'm going to hit yes, and then I'm going to take our new key out. I'm going to put our old key in the ignition and switch it on. And then we're going to hit OK. It says program success. Do you want to program another one? I'm going to select no. We're going to check number of keys. It says key numbers 2, which is a good sign. So I'm going to go ahead and switch the ignition off, take the original key out, and then I'm going to check to make sure both keys crank the vehicle. So original key is still working, which is great. And we're going to try our new key. New key starts and runs. So that's the whole programming process. Thanks guys, have a nice day.